Really glad I got me some more. Well, as y'all can see. All right, meet and greets went very well. Good morning, y'all, and thanks for tuning in to a Sunday reset. So it is that time of the month, and I am hurting, and I want to make sure that my body knows that I'm trying to go with the flow. So this morning, I guess the kids are still asleep, but they can either do cereal, or cereal. I'm gonna get ready to try and make me really quickly one of these green onion pancakes. I like to heat these up and have them for breakfast. They're literally just some traditional dim sum meal. They're like quickly fried and they become crispy and flaky and can be eaten as a snack or used as part of a meal. I just like to eat them as something small for breakfast. And for dinner, we're gonna try out this Belvita Skillet meal. It's a one-pan dinner kit. It's a Philly cheesesteak style. And all you have to do is add the meat. So I pulled the meat out last night and let it sit in the refrigerator. So it's not fully thawed out. So it will need to be pulled out. And I'm gonna do that now. But anyways, I could have some grits. I could have a bagel with strawberry cream cheese. It's just, do I really want that? I also could have some hot coffee, as the hot coffee is coming to an end, having to be back at work. So I could do that. I know I really keep saying I want to try to do Chipotle bowls at home, but I'll have to do some more videos on that because I want it to be exactly correct. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to get me some breakfast in, and then basically I need to figure out some groceries. Like, do I go today? Do I try and do a pickup order for tomorrow? As the grocery store that I normally go to is closing down, and I don't want to go all the way over there if they don't have certain things. You know what I mean? So, really debating on that at this moment. But other than that, today is just going to be one of those chill Sunday resets because the kids go back to school Wednesday. So it's no use in doing their hair today because it's just going to be frizzy by Wednesday. So I'm going to end up doing that Tuesday. And then I need to wash, blow dry, and straighten my own hair again because I had it straightened as of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It kind of started getting curly, but then Friday it definitely started curling up. So I need to do that. And I need to get ready to get us ready for 3 days of school this week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There are a couple dishes that need to be done. And then also just to vacuum, put clothes away, and just reset for the week. All right, y'all, so let me put you on to something. If you go to Amazon and you type in the search bar Amazon haul, you're going to find so many different great things. So I finally ordered from them about 2 weeks ago, and they said that my stuff wouldn't come until the 16th, which would clearly be Saturday from today. So it'd be a whole 6-7 days. But the package came yesterday, and I just never opened it. So like I said, you have to give it time for the package to even come. So with Amazon haul, there's a lot of great things on sale. I end up ordering some teacher shirts, and I also ordered like some reusable stuff that I'll share with you guys once I get it open. So I have the Owala cups, and these are the replacement straws for 24 ounce and 32 ounce cups. So I have pink, purple, and green. I'll have all of this stuff listed in my description box down below. I also got these 4-pack of the reusable can straws. So this right here is simply just a straw and then like a top to go over top of cans, and then you you just push it open like that, and then you pull it open. That way you can close it, and then the straw just goes inside of here and it goes down on a can. So whenever you're not sipping from the can, you just close it. So I have this color, there is this color, this one, and I have that one. And it comes with literally all of those straws. The next thing that I got down in here is just a pair of teacher earrings. Yeah, I know I love my teacher earrings. And I wanted to get these ones because I don't really have something like this. So I end up getting these cute little Friar, if it would act right. There we go. Friar earrings. Really adorable. It comes with like some different backs and even the other ones in case you don't like the ones that you just push on. And then the teacher shirts that I got, for some reason there's 2 of these. Okay, anyways, I got 2 of the same shirt where it says 100 days of doing teacher stuff. I'll open it up and share with you guys. There's a sticker on the front to tell you what the size is. So 100 days of doing teacher stuff. I will gladly wear that one on the 100th day instead of doing the normal. And then because our school is now called Sunrise, I got this cute yellow shirt that says "Here Comes the Sun" that I can wear with a bunch of different shoes that I have. Another shirt that I have is just this one where it has different colored hearts and it just says teacher. And then the last one that I have in this box is a shirt that says "Just One More Chapter." Reading books and things like that is definitely our specialty, so just one more chapter. And of course, like I like when it has different colors in the shirt so that I can, like wear one solid color with whatever. But now that I have this extra, I'm gonna give it to my coworker. And she can wear it on the 100th day of school as well. I didn't realize I bought 2 of them, but a-okay. So, really glad I got me some more earrings. Well, as y'all can see, I didn't make it to the grocery store today. I was lazy. I did paint my nails. Got my outfit picked out for tomorrow. My bag is packed and ready. I just got that straight. I didn't even put clothes away. So there was really no Sunday reset for today. I will just end up having to go to the grocery store tomorrow after work, after her meet and greet, after bringing everybody home. Yeah, it's bedtime. I need to go to the shower. Well, I straightened my hair this morning and was already mentally prepared to get up as I pulled my clothes out last night. So today is meet and greet day. I'm actually gonna grab my kiddos some breakfast and then drop them off with my grandfather for the day. It's meet and greet day for the upper elementary schools and high school as well. It's just the middle school that's being confusing. So what it is, they wanted us to drop, like basically put our kids on a bus today and have them come over, like what, for maybe like 2.5 hours. Like, what is there to do for 2.5 hours? So we will just have to meet the teachers another night. I do need to take medication over to that school, but I'm gonna have to call or email her and figure out when's a good time to bring that over. Then again, I might have to do it like Wednesday afternoon. So heading to Chick-fil-A, grab them some breakfast, and then I'm gonna go grab a coffee because it's on the house. And yeah, might as well grab one before they turn off the tab at the coffee shop. So you come in, that board still has a bunch of stuff on it that we need to get off. This is my desk area. I have the mailboxes over here, crap to finish putting away. Literally no theme in here. You see how like the birthdays are different colors. Then you have like that, like it's, yeah.
All right, here you go. Thank you. For this writing checklist, I didn't fill it out. Okay. So it's just the writing checklist. So sorry. I'll figure it out. Don't tell on me. I mean, it would end up.
All right, so this is what I'm working on currently. Currently laminating, getting ready for meet and greets. Our first one is gonna be at 11 because she is part of that star team, so she'll have to go upstairs and introduce herself to them. That's it. All right, meet and greets went very well. I think we have about like 5 more families that need to come, but it's really cute learning what's the buzz on your child and figuring out how they're getting home and things like that. I've been unloading and putting stuff away, but man, it felt like a rush. Okay, the school day has concluded. All except for one of 20 of our kids showed up, which we knew that the one wouldn't show up because mom has to be at work at 2. I am heading over to get my own kiddos because my daughter has her open house today, and then I'm taking my son tomorrow because medication needs to be turned in. So, with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next vlog, which will clearly be showing you guys a full walkthrough of the classroom as we get ready to begin day 1, and then also to show you guys all of the supplies that those kids brought in and how I have to put them away. So I'll catch you guys in another vlog.